Do you know who else likes butterflies? Mariah Carey. She too is a diva. Bless you.